Hey all, Joe here with All Funnies and Games, and I have no idea if this is going to be at all interesting to watch, but I wanted to just kind of show you what kind of goes into trying to track down old school resources sometimes. This is Dungeon Module L1, The Secret of Bone Hill for Advanced D&D Game. So I picked this up because I really want to look into module design and old school module design and just kind of what appeals to players, what historically appealed to players, what's the draw of not making your own world? What's the draw of running a pre-made module? So I got this. It was in a plastic sleeve when I bought it from the store. And I take it home, I open it up, I'm very excited, and this, I didn't do this damage. It was like this when I found it, so I might absolutely be ruining the collector's price, but I will be preserving the information, and that is what someone like me is going to care about. It's going to be less of a collector's item because it has aftermarket tape on it. If I can get the tape to peel correctly. So yeah, the collector value might go down, but personally I think collectors are ruining the market anyway. It's like, I want to buy the thing to read the thing, not buy the thing to store it forever. Oh look, you ruined the price because you wanted to buy it to store it forever and now it costs $100. Great, thanks, appreciate it. I want to be careful with this, I don't want to trash this trying to fix it. Okay, let's get a good length. That's about right. Okay, we're going to line this up, get this cover taped back together, and then taped to the booklet. That is our goal. Again, I freely admitted, I have no idea if this is going to be entertaining to watch. I'm just doing whatever I can think of when you see metrics like, oh, you need to be putting out daily content. Okay, well, this is what that looks like. Cool. First piece of tape is on. There's a hair in there. Let's get rid of that first. Come on, get off of there. There we go. Tape this together from this side. Okay. Perfect. The cover is back together. Now we just got to put the cover back on the book. So to do that, we're going to do another line of tape right down here, then another line of tape on the inside back cover. And this is taping it to paper more than to that cardstock material. Okay. Coming along pretty well. Do one more piece of tape, and we will have fixed the problem. Oh, and I love it. You get little, if you can see it, little bits of pencil in there. You can see where the previous owners, like, interacted with this. Like, that makes it feel like a game artifact. You can see the little signs of wear. You can see the places where the previous owners interacted with the material. Oh, shoot. Okay, that's where the tape goes now. Oh, man. Okay. This starts pulling off the words. We're going to have to improvise. That went on way too rapidly. I was not ready for that. Okay, it looks like the words aren't coming off with the tape. Whew. Oh, paper's starting to tear. Okay, that's where it goes then. Whew. Messed up a little bit on the last piece, but it's still coming together okay. Oh, okay. That was a little bit nerve-wracking at the end. here we have a cheap repair, but it'll do. And The Secret of Bone Hill. Oh, that page came out as well. Okay. This thing is going to be more tape than paper when I'm done. He's more tape than paper now. Okay, and this part's going to be really tricky, because I want to make sure that I get it right. And in fact, to do that, I'm going to flatten that out slightly to make sure that this tape goes on as smooth as possible. No, I do not want folds in this tape. Shoot. Alright, that part's going to be messy. That's unfortunate. That was exactly what I didn't want to do here. Man, okay. That is not what I was hoping to have happen, but these things happen. I'm sure the more that I do this, the better I'll get at it. Okay. That should hold that page in. Alright, probably the best we're going to do without restapling it, which might become necessary in the future. Oh yeah, these pages are perforated. That was not meant to last forever. Okay, we'll just weigh down the edge until that seam gets a lot cleaner. And there we have a cheap home refurbishing of something that kind of showed up in less than new condition, but to be fair, the store couldn't have sold me a brand new copy of this module if they'd wanted to. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it somewhat. Maybe the sound of tape gives you some ASMR, who knows, but thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.